The standing cable shoulder press is a shoulder exercise that primarily targets the anterior deltoids in the front of the shoulders. Completing this move standing versus sitting requires more core stabilization. However, due to this instability, it will limit the amount of weight you can lift. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach two single grip D handles to the low pulleys on a cable machine. Stand in the center of the cable machine with your feet about shoulder width apart facing away from the machine. Grab each handle with an overhand grip with your palms facing away from you. Bring the handles up to shoulder height with your elbows bent at about 90 degrees. Your forearms should be vertical and your palms facing forward. Tighten your core muscles to stabilize your spine and prevent your lower back from arching during the press. Exhale and press the handle straight up above your head by extending your elbows. Stop just before locking out your elbows at the top to maintain tension on your shoulders. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the handles back to the starting position at shoulder height. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and avoid using your legs or back to assist with the press. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.